Welcome. Autodesk Subscription Advantage Packs deliver tools that make an impact. In this video, an Autodesk technical specialist will give you a brief overview of the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products, an exciting new set of tools now available exclusively to Autodesk subscription customers. The Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD works with all of the 2011 AutoCAD products shown here. If your AutoCAD software is on subscription, you can download your Subscription Advantage Pack now from within your product, or download it from the Autodesk Subscription Center. Let's take a look at the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products in action, and see how it can make an impact on the work you do.
Hello, I'm Heidi Hewitt, and I'm going to show you the new things you can do with the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products. The new tools include the AutoCAD WS plugin for AutoCAD software, which helps improve collaboration. And the DWG conversion tool and IGES import-export will help you easily convert and share DWG and IGES files. The AutoCAD WS plugin for AutoCAD 2011 software extends AutoCAD to the web. Now you can upload and manage DWG files in an online workspace where you can view, edit, and share drawings using a web browser. While the AutoCAD WS plugin is available to all AutoCAD software users, as an AutoCAD subscription member, you benefit from the simplicity of a single sign-on. Here are a few things you can do. When you open online, AutoCAD automatically launches your web browser, logs you into AutoCAD WS, and opens the drawing in the AutoCAD WS drawing editor. As you work on your drawings in AutoCAD, you can automatically upload changes to the AutoCAD WS server. This ensures that the drawings in your online workspace are always up to date. Share your online drawings with colleagues and clients while controlling their ability to view, edit, or download drawings. Your collaborators can view and edit the AutoCAD drawings from any computer using just a web browser with no need for additional software. Timeline functionality leverages the web's infinite storage to provide a fully detailed design history of the current drawing, including changes by others. The AutoCAD WS plugin for AutoCAD 2011 software also gives you access to the companion mobile application, which lets you view, edit, and collaborate on AutoCAD drawings from mobile devices. In addition to the AutoCAD WS plugin, the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products includes a DWG conversion tool to convert DWG files to alternate versions. Convert files in batches to easily share newer drawings with colleagues who are using previous versions of the software, or quickly bring older file libraries up to date. To further streamline collaboration, the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products includes new IGES drawing file import and export capabilities.
Thanks for watching and learning how the Subscription Advantage Pack for AutoCAD 2011 products can make an impact on the work you do. If your AutoCAD software is on subscription, you can download your Subscription Advantage Pack now from within your 2011 product, or download it from the Autodesk Subscription Center.